On the ground, yeah, they do for do. I just met my soulmate in a stolen coupe. The contact.
Hey guys, my name is Abhijit and you're watching Code Keen. So in this video we will look how we can make our queries faster in Django. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I post Django related stuff. So if you are a beginner to Django, you can just view our playlist Learn Django in one video, and I post a lot of projects related videos in Django. So if you like my content, please do subscribe. So let's talk about the project, what our boilerplate look like. So I have created a Django project which is DJ view, and in settings.py I have used Django debug toolbar. It's a debug toolbar for testing, and it gives a lot of information about while you are testing your application, this kind of stuff, how much query time you is taking. So if you don't know how you to integrate Django debug toolbar, I have a separate video on that. You can check the description section. So let's talk about the model. What our model says, we have four models. First of all, first model is a category model, another one is a property model, and in category model we have a category name that is a char field, and in property model we have two fields, category and property name, and category is a foreign key to category model. So on the model we have a book model and a book category. So in book category there is a category name, and book model there are two fields, book name and category. In those two fields, one of them is a man-to-man relationship. So while accessing foreign key, while accessing man-to-man relationship, it took a lot of time because Django queries are slow, and if it won't run query until you just call that particular method or function or not. Okay, so let me give you an example. First of all, let's query this property app, property model. Property is equal to property dot objects dot all. So it won't run until we call this variable. Okay, so let me show you an example for this. So as you can see, 0 query were fired. Okay, so now again just print this model, print this variable. So this is a very important question also, why Django queries are slow. So definitely do check out why Django queries are slow. So now you can see one query was fired, and which took all the data from the DB and printed over here. So let's suppose what we can do is for p in property, just print out the foreign key relationship. Okay, so p dot, we have a foreign key relationship which is in category. Okay, so let's just print p dot category underscore name. So now you will see how much time your application is taking. So as you can see, 5 queries were fired and it took 4.97 millisecond. So as you can see, let's again check. Often voice is recording, so this is a very typical issue once you start. So although that doesn't matter. So as you can see, 5 queries were fired and that took 4.97 millisecond. So let's think you have a very large DB and you have thousands, lakhs of people data, and you are just querying. So if let's suppose just 5 queries took 4.97 seconds, so then just imagine what will happen if you query thousands of data. It will reflect a lot of your application will become slow, right? So what we can do is, we have two fields, we have two methods. First one is select related and another one is a prefetch related. So let's go to the Django documentation. The select related, the official documentation says this is a performance booster which result in a single more complex query but means later. So what if we do select related in this foreign key, as we name foreign key, category is a foreign key to the property model. So let's use the select related and let's see what will happen if we use this one. Okay, so let's cross our fingers and just again reload the page. So now you can see how much time it just took. It fired from 5 query to just single query and it took 0.0 milliseconds. Just imagine how much performance you are getting. 5x you are back, 5x performance you are getting. Okay, you can imagine. So this is a preferred method for accessing a foreign key relationship. Please do use object select related, as it will definitely increase the performance in your Django application, and it means a lot. What it does backend, it just fetch all the foreign key data once in a query and just add a join. Okay, so now again let's go to our back to our many to many relationship, how we can optimize a many to many while querying the many to many relationship. So we can book dot objects dot all. Okay, so again just print for b in book. What we can do is b b dot, what we have in man to man relationship is b dot category dot all. So again let's see what will happen. So as you can see, 3 queries were fired, it took 3 milliseconds. Now we will use prefetch related in this method, and again we will pass the foreign key category. So previously we have fired 2 queries, now it just fired 2 queries. Why the time is getting higher? Okay, so now you can see it just decreasing the number of queries. It took 1 second to fire the query. Now it's giving the correct time. So as you can see, 3 queries were fired if we are using all, and if we are using prefetch related, only 2 queries were called. So this is a very good performance booster. So think about, if you have a very big data and you are querying such thing, then on single query can make a difference in your Django application. It will definitely increase the performance, and it will make your application scalable, and a lot of things will happen at the background. So please do use select related, prefetch related while creating your Django application. So this is it for the video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, and let's meet you in the next video. Goodbye.